Hi, Joan. Oh, rough day? Hi, Shamika. That's an understatement. And not just today. I'm so stressed out. Maybe I'm not meant to be a teacher. Yeah, teaching seems harder these days. I'm not sure what I'd do without Michael Grinder's #1 stress buster. Don't tell Mike call it that. Oh, what is it? Michael calls it break and breathe, an easy way to get rid of everyday stressful situations. Break and breathe, adult to adult. When I use his technique, I can either avoid or manage the stress. Break and breathe? How do you do it? Well, the whole technique is based on a simple fact. Your mind and body are connected. If you lead with your body, your mind and emotions will follow. You want your emotions to change? Then change your body. Okay, but how do you do that? Simple. Learn to recognize what personally stresses you out. And when those things happen, take a deep breath and move at the same time. It only takes seconds. Notice the need. The hardest part is that you need to learn what causes your stress and what situations cause those unmanageable emotions. Is it the person who cuts you off on your drive to work? Is it people criticizing your work or how you teach your kids? Or is it trying to schedule something with people who are spontaneous or unorganized? It's different for everybody, and you need to train yourself to notice the need to get rid of stress. Oh, this is stressing me out. Break and breathe. Right. So if I know what to look for, I guess I can prevent stress before it sneaks up on me. Easier than trying to fix it later. Right. You really get it. Move and breathe at the same time. The trick is, you have to move, break, and breathe at precisely the same time. That's what makes it work so well. But my mom always said, just take a deep breath. You'll be okay. So why do I have to move? It might surprise you, but when you move, you take a deeper breath. It's how the chemicals in your body work. Okay, let me show you how it's done. That's it. That's it. The hardest part is learning to recognize what causes you stress. But it's worth it, because then the stress can't control you. You won't have to worry about losing your cool in front of your kids or your parents. And when you go home, you'll be able to leave your stress and work behind you and actually get a good night's rest. So you want to practice with me? Okay. Almost. Let's try it again. And this time focus on breathing while stepping. You got it. Be sure to practice this and think about what causes you stress. And maybe you can take a look at the Break and Breathe in Michael's Envoy book tonight. And next time, I'll teach you how to use it as a management technique in your classroom.